Welcome to Ask gHawk Accounting, where I answer questions received from small business owners about tax, accounting, and how to run a profitable business. My name is Lenah Oduor. I'm a chartered accountant, business coach, and the founder of gHawk Accounting. Our mission is to empower small business owners to run smarter businesses, unlocking more profit, more time, and the freedom to enjoy it. Please note that the answers given in this recording are general. Always seek professional advice for your specific circumstances. So let's get started. Today's question is from Peter, and I'll read the question. We've received a £100 CIS late filing penalty. I wasn't aware this had to be done monthly. How do we avoid further fines? Thanks, Peter. For context, Peter is one half of a family-run building company where two brothers have come together to elevate the standards in the building trade by giving homeowners a bespoke design and building service. Let's start with a quick recap. What is CIS? CIS stands for the Construction Industry Scheme. If you pay subcontractors for construction work, you're required to deduct tax from their payments and report this monthly to HMRC. CIS returns must be submitted by the 19th of each month following the end of the tax month. That is, if you make payments from 6th of July to 5th of August, the CIS payments must be made by the 19th of August, and so on. Even if you file one day late, HMRC will issue a £100 penalty, and penalties increase over time. I'll cover more on that later. In order to avoid penalties, the key is 1. Put the dates in your calendar so that you don't forget. CIS deadlines occur every month with filing expected by the 19th of the month and payment to HMRC expected by the 22nd of the month. Number 2 is submit returns monthly, even if no payments were made. These are called nil returns. And number 3, and this is the best one, is work with an accountant who understands CIS so that they can do the heavy lifting of the CIS filing requirements on your behalf. If you've received a CIS penalty, you're not alone. In fact, CIS is one of the most misunderstood areas for construction business owners. To help you stay out of trouble, let me walk you through the 7 most common mistakes construction business owners make and how you can avoid them. The first mistake is forgetting to file nil returns. Even if you haven't paid any subcontractors this month, you still must file a CIS return. A nil return confirms to HMRC that no payments were made. Not submitting it can still trigger a penalty. Mistake number 2 is filing CIS returns late. Results in a £100 fine. The longer the delay, the worse it gets. The penalties increase to £200 after 2 months, £300 after 3 months, and can go up to £3,000 after 12 months. This is clearly not a good use of your hard-earned cash, so it's better to do the right thing and save yourself the trouble. Mistake number 3 is not verifying subcontractors. You must verify every subcontractor with HMRC before their payment. This tells you what deduction rate to apply. It can either be 0%, which is called gross payments, where you don't make any deductions, or it can be 20 or 30%, where you're required to make a deduction before payment. Mistake number 4 is paying gross without HMRC approval. Every subcontractor I know wants to be paid without deductions, but only subcontractors with gross payment status can be paid without CIS deductions. Never assume. Check their status first. HMRC sees this as a serious compliance issue and can levy a fine or raise an investigation. Mistake number 5 is not keeping proper records. You must keep records of what you have paid each subcontractor, deductions made, and the verification results. These must be kept for at least 5 years for traders and 7 years for companies. Inaccurate or missing records can lead to HMRC enquiries. Mistake number 6 is missing payment deadlines. Not only do you need to file the return, you also need to pay the deducted tax by the 22nd of the month or 19th if you're paying by post. HMRC will charge interest and penalties for late payment. There's no need in this day and age to pay by post. It's much easier to pay through your online banking or through your HMRC business tax account. Mistake number 7 is not appointing a CIS specialist. CIS compliance is fiddly and easy to get wrong, especially when you're busy running a business with multiple projects. Many construction business owners fall behind because they don't have a specialist checking things monthly. Having an accountant with CIS expertise can save you thousands of pounds and hours of your valuable time. A final bonus mistake I'd like to share with you is misclassifying workers. Many business owners treat workers as subcontractors when in HMRC's eyes, they should be employees. This can trigger tax inquiries, penalties, and even backdated demands for PAYE. So use proper contracts and seek advice when you're not sure. So there you have it. 7 mistakes construction business owners make and how to avoid them. But today's question was on how to avoid further penalties. We have covered 10 things you need to do to avoid penalties, and these include adding the dates to your calendar, the 19th and the 22nd of the month, filing nil returns, filing returns on time, verifying subcontractors, not paying gross without HMRC approval, paying CIS on tax, verifying subcontractors, not paying gross without HMRC approval, keeping proper records, paying CIS tax on time, appointing a CIS specialist accountant, and finally, you should review the last 6 months to spot any missed returns or payments, as this is costing you money knowingly or unknowingly. I also have an update on Peter's case. We successfully appealed the penalty and HMRC cancelled it, saving our client £100. Now that is a good result. If you take care of the pennies, the pounds take care of themselves. Thank you for watching this episode of Ask gHawk Accounting. If you want our help staying compliant with your CIS, then do get in touch. We help construction businesses avoid CIS penalties and stay on top of their finances. We offer a free CIS health check, or if you want to do it yourself, ask for our CIS compliance checklist. You can also get in touch to ask any questions you have about CIS, VAT, accounting, or running a profitable business. Get in touch with any questions or comments via our website, which is ghawkaccounting.co.uk/contact. The link is in the description somewhere below this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe so that you can get notified of our next video. My name is Lenah Oduor, wishing you every success in your business. Thank you for watching.